not it. Yeah, that's kind of creepy. Ooh, creepier. Okay. Oh yeah, that's my dog. If you can't really see, I'm watching Sunny with a Chance. Because I have my remote. Oh, coconut bras, cool. Because normally I don't go to bed this early. It's my water bottle. I'm with my ugly dolls. Yeah. See, you can see a little bit. You can probably make out shapes. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it's gone. Well, thanks for listening. Bye. Hello. I'm back again. I still can't sleep. And I'm still watching Sunny with the Chance.